How to create Binance Web3 Wallet. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to easily create a Binance Web3 wallet. For that, you're first going to have to open up Binance on your device. Once you open up Binance, make sure that you are logged into your account. Just make sure that you have logged into it. Once you are logged in, you ideally want to be verified on your account as well. So just go ahead and go to the Exchange tab. And once you are here, you'll find the wallet section at the top right corner or the top of your screen. There's Exchange and then there's Wallet. You can find it on the Assets tab as well. So if you just head over there, you should be able to switch between your Exchange and Wallet. So if I tap on Wallet, it's going to take me over to the Binance Wallet. And once you are on the Wallet section, as you can see here, it's asking me to verify my account. Since I've not verified, I'm currently unable to access the wallet, but if you have a verified account, you can just tap on the wallet section. There you will be asked to import wallet or create a new wallet. So if you want to create a completely new wallet for yourself, you can go ahead and do that, which will allow you to create different passcodes. It will ask you for your biometrics like fingerprints or face scan. So you can use any of those, including fingerprint or Face ID, to verify your wallet. And after that, it will be automatically created and it's also going to be connected to your Binance account. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.